Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to see how to make animation. Okay. Today in this class we are going to complete this animate CC. Okay. 10th chapter is going to be over. My dear students, in this place you have to understand the concept. Okay. Now I opened animate CC. In this place, action script. In previous class, I taught you how to make animation. In your book, in ninth chapter, they just given how to make animation like this. Means without any path, okay, without any motions. Like here, now selection tool means this is a polygon. Okay, right click, insert keyframe, move the object from there to here. Again, insert keyframe, move object from here to here. Again, okay, here insert keyframe, move the object from here to here. Means now this is a timeline seconds. It shows your animation video timing. Okay, it shows animation video timing. Here I inserted 1 2 3 keyframes. Okay, here we can able to add the layer. Here is a default is a layer 1. Okay, if you want to add a layer, you can able to add layer. Okay, now see here, if I play the animation, okay, control play animation, okay, just play. So this is the animation you can able to see they given in 8th chapter. Okay, now while making this animation there are few options to make a movement. Okay, example, uh, motion twin, right click, create motion twin. Means before you seen without motion. Now kindly see with the motion. Just right click in the keyframe and see, select create motion twin. Now control play animation. Okay, now see here, just clicking starting position, control play animation. Sorry. Now you can able to see the movement. Okay, control enter. Means some movement is there, but we cannot able to see properly. Before it was on off. Now example, in this place, okay, right click, okay, move motion. Here also move motion. Now control enter, repeat the animation again and again. Okay, now you can able to see some variation, but this also not much good. Okay, means while playing animation time we can able to see some movement on the object, that is called what, motion. But before that, now we will see how to create. Okay, file new. Before that, now we will learn how to convert objects into symbol. Now see here, one rectangular. Okay, this is a rectangle. Now one vowel shape, and here is another vowel shape. Okay, and I think one more rectangle. Okay, now here is a selection tool. This selection tool is used to move the selected object. Okay, now kindly see here, in this place. Okay, if I click here, only the circle is selecting. If I click here, only the circle is selecting. If I click here, only this rectangle is selecting. Means total in this place 1 2 3 4. Okay, total 4 objects are there, different object. Now I am going to convert this 4 objects into one single object. Example, now kindly see here, only this is selected. Now select all. Okay, select all. Now here in modify, convert into symbol, select symbol name, what you are giving, you give. Now If I click this also, everything is selecting, means now this is a one object, this is converted into symbol, means different objects converted into a symbol. Okay, now I'm going to make animation here in a timeline. Okay, means this is a way of converting objects into symbol. Okay, how to create symbol, this is a way. Just to select, go to the modify, here you can able to see the control, sorry, convert into symbol, or press F8. Okay, this is over. Now animation, what are the three animations are there? Motion twin, shape twin, and classic twin. Only this three animation I will make you to explain the concept. After the concept I will make simple animation, your chapter will be over. Okay, now see here, uh, just now first thing, motion twin. How we will insert motion twin? Right click on the timeline, insert keyframe. Okay, move this object from here to here, anywhere. Okay, now again right click, insert keyframe, move this object from here to here. Okay, so how many keyframes we inserted? Two keyframe. Wherever we moved, this is the first keyframe, here the object is, and second keyframe, here is the object. Now just play the animation, control play. This is a animation. Now we are going to insert motion twin. How we are going to insert motion twin? Just right click, create motion twin. Now control play animation. My dear students, actually here motion twin is not working properly. Okay, motion twin is not working properly. Means here we cannot able to see the motion twin because of the, what to say, means because of some software is not good. Okay, software quality in this laptop, it is not good. Okay, so that is the reason when we are creating motion twin, this object will move from here to here slowly. Okay, uh, that is the thing. Now if you want to insert keyframe, sorry, this is called motion twin. Now shape twin. Okay, now we can able to see the shape twin. Now same, right click, insert keyframe. Okay, selection tool, move this object from here to here. Okay, and the free transform tool, just increase the size. Okay, again one more, insert keyframe, move this object from here to here, reduce the size and change the color. If you want to rotate, you may rotate. Okay, now one more, right click, insert keyframe, move this object from here to here and increase the size and change the color. Means this is what a shape twin. Okay, this is a shape twin. Now right click. Okay, now just right click, here you can able to see create shape twin. Right click, create shape twin, right click, create shape twin. Very simple. Now just you see, control play, means starting position keep. Now control play. Now when object is moving, we can able to see the movement also. Okay, now control enter, repeat the animation. Means this is called shape twin. While moving the object, sir, only this we can able to change. No, we can able to do more. Okay, this is just rough work I showed to you. Okay, but my dear students, the reason here it is not working, uh, I hope this software is not supporting. That is the thing. It is not working. Okay. Now one second, I will try. Motion twin, everything is correct. Okay, everything is correct, but it is not working. Okay, everything what options we get, everything is correct here. But here, now you came to the shape twin. Shape twin will change the object shapes. Okay, shape twin, it will change the objects shapes. Okay, now another file. Now we will see the classic twin. Classic twin, it is similar to the motion twin. We are going to define the path. In your book, they draw one aeroplane. Okay, and they move the aeroplane. Okay, so if you want, you may draw, but I am not going to draw anything. Just I will take any shape. Okay, just to select any shape which you would like to give. See, means when we right click here in this tool, it should show the all the tools. But here we cannot able to get because software is not running properly in a laptop. Okay, in this laptop it is not running. In your laptop also it will not run because it is a very high weight software. Okay, now just same. Okay, now I inserted one circle and I'm just moving this. Just I inserted one circle. Okay, now selection tool, right click, insert keyframe. My dear students, keyframe is a very important. Keyframe defines the position. So here, okay, another keyframe, another keyframe. The thing is what, my dear, when you are moving the object from here to here, when you are going up, you should go up. You should not going suddenly coming back. No. If you are going forward, you should go the forward only. Example, when I move the shape in this direction, I have to move. Going here, suddenly coming, suddenly going. No. If you want to come back, you should make one point there. You have to insert keyframe. Okay. Right click, insert keyframe. Okay, now right click, classic twin, classic twin, create classic twin and create classic twin. Now, okay, starting position same, control play animation. Now here you can able to see the animation. Example one more I will show you. New, same circle I am selecting. Okay, right click, insert keyframe. Okay, just move the object here like a ball. Okay, again insert keyframe, again here insert keyframe. Means the keyframe defines what position. When I am moving the object, it is going, I should not come back. Okay, right click, insert keyframe. Okay, again right click, insert keyframe. My dear, this is a basic I'm telling to you, but so many things are there you should do. Okay, in a practical, but here not possible to do everything. Just I'm telling the basic what things they given in your book. Okay, over. Now right click, create classic. Again after inserting keyframe at last, okay, create classic, create classic, right click, create classic, create classic and create classic. Now control enter is used for replay the animation. Now control enter. Now see here. So this is the animation we created. Okay, if you want to change the color with help of the shape twin also we may make. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is over. In your book, with help of the classic motion, okay, with help of the classic twin, what they made, simply I'm saying to you, they just draw one green color ground like this. Okay. They just draw a green color ground like this. Okay. Means they just draw green color ground like this. After they inserted what? Okay, another rectangular. This one I think we can change the color. Okay, they just after here what they done? Means they just reduce the radius already. I told now, so no need to show that all because time is going. Means they just reduced. In a book you can able to see they made car running on a path. Okay, that is a very simple animation you can able to do. So what things they given you can do. Okay, so they didn't give even layer also. Okay, so if you want to rename a layer or if you want to lock a layer, here is an option. Okay, just if you right click. Okay, means regarding layer we may see after some time, but layer is not in your portion. Okay, so your this chapter also over. And one thing I didn't say to you in a previous class, while here magic wand tool is there. Okay, here it is not showing, but magic wand tool. Okay, what is use of magic wand tool? If you are opening any image, okay, magic wand tool is there. If you click on that particular image, the same color option. Okay, in your book they given one flower. In Photoshop we are using magic wand tool much, but here we are not using. If one flower is there, okay, if one flower will be there, just to imagine here is a one flower. Okay, means here is a one flower. If one flower will be there, okay, if you click here, okay, if you click here, what the color here, same color all area will be selected. Okay, but different color area will not be selected. Okay, that is called magic wand tool. You can able to see in your book very clearly. When flower was there, when they selected the green, all the green color area were selected. Okay, means these things you may see based on the edges it will select same color plus edges it will select. Okay, just you go through once. Your portion is over, only one HTML is there. Tomorrow in that video I will complete HTML. Whatever doubts you are having, come to the online class, I will solve your doubt. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, thank you.